Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy aka Ogadona. We are live here in the city of Asaba, ShopRite. Okay, bro, I would like you to tell me your name and where you're from.
I'm Frank from Delta.
Please, can you just speak up so that they will hear you?
I'm Frank from Delta.
Speak up now. Abba, what is that you do like this? Like say so. No, I've been at the Hamatan.
Mike, you for Anna.
No, speak
Okay,
up.
no, I'm Frank from Delta.
Okay, you're from Delta State. What about you? What's your name and your location?
I'm Daniel from Delta State as well.
Wow, two of you Delta. Wanna be brothers?
No.
Okay, no, you guys, tight friends, close friends. Okay, firstly, I believe Christmas is over, but we are still there. Can you tell me how you celebrated this Christmas? Like, how the Christmas be? What happen? Where you go? What you eat? You understand? So, can you just tell us how you celebrated your Christmas?
I know today's special, and I don't feel like saying for still people they come up. And New Year, they look no be Christmas.
Okay, you know they look New Year. Now
They look Christmas,
Yeah, they
New
look
Year.
okay, you know they look Christmas. Now New Year they look like nothing concern you for this Christmas. Abba, the same thing with you.
Nothing concern me.
Wait, una be Muslim or be?
No, be
No,
Christian.
Christian like the I want to put her the
Not too
say
reasonable. Nah, see.
too much. Too much.
Okay, una no too reason the Christmas. Like now New Year be the man.
Yeah.
So you are trying to say that Christmas is not something you can celebrate like high like that. Is the New Year be the?
New Year be the gone.
And
Christmas
special.
I just cook food chop sleep.
Okay, Christmas now to cook food,
Chop.
chop and sleep. Nah, I don't hear this one today. Okay. Do you have a girlfriend? You don't have a girlfriend. Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
You sure? Una sure say una dey tell us.
We don't get girlfriend. maybe money go to the find girlfriend or be on the
All right. Anyway, thank you. But the way they look you, guy, you get wetin you suppose talk, you never talk.
the man don't
I mean the Christmas as in. Wait, okay, what was your worst experience so far this year? Like,
This year,
wetin happened to you this year wey be say you regret?
yeah,
Can you
but
tell
this year I regret. This year good sha, but what I still regret